Thank you for joining us today. Hi, Karma Studios, and this is Karma Edu. BECE candidate or BECE candidate parent or guardian should watch this video to the end because it's this is really helpful. I'm understand. Now, no school placement for these 2025 BECE students because of these 5 reasons. It must also be video na query so that you get the understanding. And yes, sir, this video, if you don't watch it full, you will not get the understanding. And let me start with the reason why. Number one, the reason why these candidates are not going to get schools when the placement is out and even the results. Students whose results are cancelled by Waec. When Waec releases the BECE results, any candidate whose results are cancelled after a investigation will see the description cancelled against the affected subject or their entire results. Into Waec actually some regional head offices. No, if you go and the investigation didn't go well, if you didn't provide tangible reasons why you were called up and asked the tangible reasons why into your almost suspected was said you did something in the examination hall, no, your result is going to be cancelled. And a ban as well, either a subject being who says animal course, and I say it is the entire whole thing, and as adding course, so you're going to find your results cancelled. And that is number one. If you say a school for no yentimi emphasize no ma unim say over 1,400 BC candidates and a Waec katima turn inside from some regional head offices for interrogations and as an investigation concerning about examination irregularities. We have made a video about that. If you haven't watched, go to our YouTube page and then you find the whole thing, set 1, set 2, set 3. We have made the whole thing available so that you can search if your name is part or not. And let's go to number 2. Number 2 is student with withheld results. I say Waec area investigation na or results no. It was to say withheld that. The results comes before the placement. Na ekobanisa na EBA investigation no. Why you need that hold and I say withheld that. That means say you are still, your results is still on hold. They are still doing investigation about your results. Maybe they are not finding any tangible reason to release the results. And then that one too is but before placement now, that can lead to no school placement in the BECE 2025. I'm sure and that is one main factor because say withheld sana you cannot do anything about the school placement. So they has to release the thing from withheld to ABR, you 2, 3 before answer now you can get placement when, especially when the thing is when that result withheld no, it's on a core subject English, Math, Science, and associate be a cobanate that withheld now. It is really painful and it can lead to no school placement at the 2025 CSSPS, that is a computer school selection and placement system. Now number 3, a student who obtain grade 9 in mathematics or English language or both. Say these 2 core subjects in English, Math, Science, English and mathematics. If you find yourself getting grade 9, there is no cutoff point there, but 9 is a failure, and 9 elective subjects na core subject, it can lead to no school placement because you have failed. And then it is part of a year we now the back one what they grade with schools, bit me about say one we school. If you say 9 English and a maths the and hard, especially science also and science can social the and share but that's hard. By English, Math, Science, make sure you don't get or pray you don't get 9 in these 3 core subjects, because when you get 9 in these subjects, it can lead to a year no school because that is the truth, and we will not lie to you. And number 4 is students absent during any core subject. BECE you were not able to sit for these core subjects. It can lead to no school placement, and you're trying to be at home for man call because of 1 or 2 reasons. You were not able to write any of the core subjects. That one to pray to God, say things will change, but if things don't change, the possibility of you not getting a school is very high. Not even talking of self-placement. That is number 4. And number 5 is failure to enroll after placement. And if parents fail to check their awards placement or do not enroll the student in a school within the official enrollment period, the student risks losing the chances to access secondary education under the free SHS policy. Bia o papa na nipa obehwe school no, that person was not able to enroll you during the year placement time, no, because the results no be we are maybe a week or two. The CSSPS is going to be released. That is the schools. And so say back na award no want to enroll no at that time, and now let's see the placement portal no they close it. I almost close this. You almost finish admissions anyway in area they close it. So those working in the cafe, they can attest to you that Obu Hall oh, maybe school 2024 and I want to download my placement forms. You cannot do that because after admission, almost close the CSS portal, no, the CSS PSS, no, they close the portal and you will not be able to download the forms and even go to the school that you want to go or the school that you got. So that is number 5. Make sure say you will enroll your ward, and I say one person so now we yourself a year. Make sure so you find a person during this admission period. You'll be able to check the school that you got and then maybe enroll yourself in the school that Waec is going to place you. And these are the number 5 things. These are the 5 things that you need to study because it can lead to no school placement. And number 1 is student who results are cancelled by Waec. Number 2 is student with withheld results. That is number 2. And number 3 is student who obtain grade 9 in mathematics or English language or both. Number 4 is students absent during any core subject. And the last one, failure to enroll after placement. And that is, these are the 5 things that you need to be alert on because it can lead to no school placement. I Karma Studios and this is Karma Edu. If you haven't followed this page, make sure you follow this page for more updates and for more news. I go by the name Sticky the Superstar, your favorite and the youngest content creator. I'm finally out.